Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. In this video, we're going to talk about the price increase for e-bikes. If you haven't heard, prices have started going up by 25%. That means a $1,000 e-bike is now $1,250. A $2,000 e-bike is now going to be $2,500. And here's why. Most goods that are imported into the United States have a tariff placed on them. And a tariff is kind of like a tax, okay? It's just an additional fee that has to be placed that has to be paid by the manufacturer that is sending goods into the United States. And e-bikes have for quite some time, have been exempt from that tariff. Well, that exemption has been allowed to expire. And because it's expired, the original 25% tariff that has been in place is now in effect. And it just means that you're going to be paying more for your bike. Now, if you're out there shopping online, you might notice that some companies haven't raised prices yet. Maybe you've been looking at a particular bike and you say, hey, it's still the same price, so what's going on? Well, here's what's happening. A lot of these Chinese-based companies, one, probably aren't even aware that they're about to get hit with this tariff, 25% tariff fee. And number two, well, some companies have started to raise their prices, but if there's inventory already here in the United States, it's already sitting in the warehouses, then the tax doesn't apply to that inventory. Now, that doesn't mean that a company can't go ahead and raise their price anyway. In fact, we've seen it. Over the last couple of weeks, we've seen Admotor raise their prices, and also Velitric has already raised their prices. But we know they still have inventory already here in the warehouses, but they're just kind of getting ready for this tax that's being imposed upon them. But there are still plenty of companies out there that haven't raised the tax. Again, either they're not aware of it, that it's going to happen, or they're just going to go ahead and reduce their inventory that's already here that the tax doesn't apply to. So that's good news for you, because if you've been thinking about buying a bike, now's the time to buy it, and do so quickly before the prices do go up. Because like I said, 25%, that's huge. For a lot of folks, they've been saving money and saving money and saving money to be able to buy that $1,000 bike, right? And they get ready to go out there and buy it, and all of a sudden it's $1,250. That's going to really set them back. Or maybe you've got something more expensive that you've been looking at, and it's in the $2,000 range, and you've been saving up for it, and you get ready to go buy it, and then all of a sudden it's $2,500. And like I said, I've already seen that with a couple of different brands. So just be aware of it. It's happening. There's nothing we can do to stop it. You can say that it's the manufacturer's fault or the seller's fault because, hey, all of a sudden they raised their prices and what's going on. Well, that's not the case. The problem is here at home in the United States, where that tariff was allowed, or that exemption was allowed to expire. And now it is what it is. So if you're looking for a bike, make sure you get out there now. Buy it soon, okay? Buy it soon. There's a lot of great brands out there. We're getting ready to release a top 5 brand company that we recommend. So that video is going to be coming out real soon. So Bill, you looking for that? Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe. If you have any comments or questions about the tariff increase or the 25% increase, or if you've already experienced it yourself, let us know in the comments down below. I'll see you in another video real soon.